What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA sides on this Lexus LC. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the new NIA sides. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F-Gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. With the purchase of the NIA sides, you're going to receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. So first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, make sure that it's nice and clean. Now that the car is all wiped down, this is where you're going to locate the factory bolt in the front that aligns with your pre-drilled hole. And you're going to locate the rear splash guard, and you're going to use the two holes, which is the factory clip and the factory bolt. This is when you grab the 10mm socket and your clip remover and remove them. Lastly, to remove the splash guard underneath, you're going to locate the factory bolts right in the middle of the splash guard and just remove it with your 10mm socket. Now that the splash guard is removed, just get the same bolt that you removed from the wheel well and just put it back on. Now that the factory bolts are out, this is when you get a friend or family member to help you align it and install it. Chris? Chris? Where's this guy? Chris? Bro, what are you doing in the paint booth? Oh my God, again, bro? Now that the support screws are holding up the kit, this is when you get the support screws, and we're gonna apply them and self-tap them into the side skirt. If you're using a drill, make sure to drill them halfway, that way you don't over-tighten and strip the plastic side skirt. Now that all the support screws are in halfway, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to hand tighten them to prevent over tightening and stripping the plastic side skirt. Now that the support screws are nice and tight, this is when you get your 10mm socket and you're going to tighten up the factory bolts. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus LC. If you have any questions, please comment below. We'll always get back to everybody. Thank you again.